Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to work on Chapter 1 review. It is on page 55 in your workbook. Make sure you have your notebook open with something to write with. We're going to do question number 1 through 10. Make sure to do your best when you're done solving. Make sure you grab a different color pencil because we will be checking our work. Go on and pause this lesson. Work on your questions. And come back when you're done solving questions number 1 through 10. Number 1. Select a number for the blank box that will make a true comparison. Mark all that apply. 703,209 is greater than A. 702,309, B. 703,029. The correct answer for number 1 will be A and B. Number 2. Nancy wrote the greatest number that can be made using each of these digits exactly once. Part A. What was Nancy's number? How do you know this is the greatest possible number for these digits? My answer is 985,431. I used place value. I took the greatest digit and placed it in the spot furthest to the left, the hundred thousands column. I placed the next greatest digit in the 10,000s column, and so on. I know that the place value of each digit is to the left. Digit to the left is 10 times the place value to the digits to the right. Part B. What is the least number that can be made using each digit exactly once? Explain why the value of the 4 is greater than the value of 5. My answer is 134,589, and it is because the 4 represents 4,000 and the 5 represents 500. For question number 3 and 4, we are told to use the table. So this is the information that we are going to be using. Number 3, write the name of each mountain peak in the box that describes its height in feet. First box, between 14,000 feet and 14,300 feet, I know that Creston Peak, Humboldt Peak, White Mountain are in between 14,000 feet and 14,300 feet. Box number 2. Between 14,301 feet and 14,500 feet, I have Blanca Peak, University Peak, Mount Whitney. Number 4. Circle the name of the tallest peak. Explain how you know which of the mountain peaks is the tallest. Mount Whitney is the tallest. Remember to go back and check the data. It is the information that is given to us. And for number 4, Mount Whitney is the tallest because I compare the heights by the place value position. Number 5. Mr. Rodriguez bought 420 pencils for the school. If there are 10 pencils in a box, how many boxes did he buy? The correct answer is A, 42. Number 6. Bobby and Cheryl each rounded 745,829 to the nearest 10,000. Bobby wrote 750,000 and Cheryl wrote 740,000. Who is correct? Explain the error that was made. For this question, Bobby is correct. Cheryl left the 10,000s digit the same instead of increasing it by 1. The digit in the thousands place is 5. So to round to the nearest 10,000, Cheryl should have increased the 10,000s digit, which is 4, by 1, which give us 5. Let's go on and take a look at number 7. A total season attendance for the college team's home games, rounded to the nearest 10,000, was 270,000. For numbers 7a to 7d, select yes or no to tell whether the number could be in the exact attendance. So for 7a, I have 265,888, which is a yes. Boys and girls, as you can see, I have underlined the 6, the place value that I will need to compare. 7b, 260,987, which is a no. 7c, 274,499, which is a yes. 7d, 206,636 is a no. Remember, boys and girls, when we underline the place value, we look at the number to the right and we make sure that we know if it is 5 or above. Number 8. It is asking us to use the table. For question number 8 through 10, this table will be the one that we will be using. It is the table that shows recent population data for Sacramento, California. This is the age, population, age in years again, and this is population again. So, number 8, how many children are under 10 years old? Show your work. I'm going to go up over to the charts, and I know that this is 10 to 14, 15 through 19. They do not apply because question is asking us to give under 10. So I will need to go and look 5 to 9 and under 5. And I see the number 35,010 for under 10. And I know for 5 through 9 years old, my number is 31,406. I'm going to take those two numbers, add them up, and my final answer is 66,416. Number 9. How many people are between the ages of 20 and 49? Show your work. Just like number 8, I'm going to go up to the chart and I'm going to look for 20 and 49. 20 to 34, I have 115,279 people. And from 35 to 49, I know that I have 92,630 people. Because the question is asking between 20 and 49, I will go on and add those two numbers, 115,279, adding 92,630, giving me 207,909 people. Number 10. How many more children are under the age of 5 than between the ages of 10 and 14? Show your work. Again, I'm going to go back to the table that gave us under the age of 5. I know that under the age of 5, there's a population of 35,010, and 10 and 14 population is 30,253. I am going to go and subtract because it is asking for the difference. So I am going to do 35,010 subtracting 30,253, giving me 4,757 people. How did you guys do? It has been a long day, so it is time for us to stand up and stretch and dance it out. On your lesson slide, go on and click this icon, and it's going to enjoy the dance, stand up and stretch, and have a great day.